cross, Robbie! Oh, he met it so well. And Whitmore! Theodore Whitmore. Gone absent without leave. This is Whitmore. Hall and Gale both available. It's still Whitmore. And it's now 2-0.
Fuller going forward here and puts it in. They're looking across at the linesman who kept his flag down and Hearts have equalised.
And with 10 minutes remaining, Ricardo Fuller stated a case for Craig Levein to make that loan deal permanent with a fine individual goal. The Hearts hero picked up the ball in his own half, beat a couple of defenders, outpaced Eric Delamo before rounding Woods and slotting home.
Went to Southampton under Ira Knapp again. Obviously, he was the one who brought me to Portsmouth. Made the move to Southampton and asked me if I would join him. Obviously, with loyalty and respect for him, I say yes, and I went down to Portsmouth, to Southampton. And then obviously he went back to Portsmouth, which is Ira Knapp, and then obviously I knew about the interest from Mr. Tony Pulis, and then at the time, and I thought, why not? Because at the minute I'm not playing at Southampton for whatever reasons. And I thought I went out on loan to Ipswich, came back in after a month, saved Southampton. When I came back, they were like 22nd on the table, and we managed to finish 10th. And I was player of the month with 10 goals in like 8 games, I think. Managed to get player of the month that month, and Southampton was safe. And I decided to take the opportunity at Stoke, representing myself with Mr. Tony Pulis, and the rest is history.
He wears the red and white with pride, Fuller, Fuller. He takes defenders in his stride, Fuller, Fuller. He came to Stoke and wanted more. Give him the ball, he's bound to score. Ricardo Fuller, he's City's number 10.
Ricardo, you've played in the Premiership before. How does it feel to be heading back there now?
Unbelievable, you know. So it's a tremendous feeling. There's no other feeling like this one. It's good when you can get your team promoted, you know what I mean?
Jamaicans call him Wiley Boo, Fuller, Fuller. The Potter is our home to you, Fuller, Fuller. He slapped his captain in the face. He scores the goals, he's fucking ace. Ricardo Fuller, City's number 10.
And, you know, we don't get sometimes recognition we deserve. And Rick is a top player. I heard John Barnes say the other day on the telly, or someone rang me after the game and said John had said that Rick works hard, but he hasn't got the natural ability that some Jamaicans have got. I don't know what planet he lives on, John Barnes.
He nearly went and left a Stoke, Fuller, Fuller. If he did leave, I would be choked, Fuller, Fuller. A wrangle over what should be paid. I've got to say, I'm glad he stayed. You're Ricardo Fuller, you're Stoke City's number 10.
cross. Robbie-O! Oh, he met it so well. And Whitmore! Theodore Whitmore. Gone absent without leave. This is Whitmore. Hall and Gale both available. It's still Whitmore. And it's now 2-0.